Hey, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Forestri Health. Today, we will review a wrist stretching routine. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for updates on my latest videos. Whether you spend long hours typing at a computer, lifting weights, or engaging in various activities, taking care of your wrists is crucial. So, let's dive into a comprehensive wrist stretching routine that will not only help improve flexibility, but also enhance your overall wrist health. So let's begin. Our first stretch is the wrist curl. This stretch is excellent for increasing flexibility and reducing stiffness in the wrist joint. To perform this stretch, extend your right arm straight, palm facing down. Then start with your pinky finger. Try to touch the bottom side of your wrist. Then try stretching with your ring finger, then your middle finger, then your pointer finger, then your thumb. You should feel the stretch in your fingers, the upside of your wrist, and you might feel it in your extender muscles going up your arm. Continue the stretch, switching fingers for 20 seconds. Once you've done each finger, continue the exercise for then switch to the left hand and continue for 20 seconds. Next up, we have the wrist tilt back. This stretch is effective for Next up, we have the wrist tilt back. This stretch is effective for improving wrist extension and relieving tension in the wrists. To perform this stretch, extend your right arm straight, palm facing down, then take your left hand and slightly pull your palm back towards your arm. You should feel a gentle stretch in the front of your wrists. Hold the stretch for 20 seconds. Then switch to the left hand and slightly pull your left palm back with your right hand. Then hold for 20 seconds. Now let's move on to the wrist hammer. This stretch targets the top. Now let's move on to the wrist hammer. This stretch targets the top of the wrist and helps improve wrist flexibility and range of motion. It's especially beneficial for those who engage in activities that involve gripping and lifting. Extend your right arm forward with your palm facing inward. Make a fist with your palm, and then without bending your elbow, try and make the motion of a hammer using only your wrist. Repeat for 20 seconds. Then switch to your left side and repeat for another 20 seconds. The wrist stretch is up next. The stretch is great for releasing tension and increasing flexibility in the wrist. Extend your right arm forward, palm facing upward. Use your opposite hand to press down on the fingers, stretching the wrist and forearm. Hold the stretch for 20 seconds. Then switch to the left hand for another 20 seconds. Moving on to the wrist resistance press. This is a fantastic isometric exercise that strengthens the muscles around the wrist joints, promoting stability. Moving on to the wrist resistance press. This is a fantastic isometric exercise that strengthens the muscles around the wrist joint, promoting stability and reducing the risk of injuries. This is the reverse exercise of the wrist stretch. Extend your right arm forward, palm facing downward this time. Use your opposite hand to press down on the fingers, stretching the wrist and forearm. Hold the stretch for 20 seconds. Then switch to the left hand for another 20 seconds. Lastly is the fist rotation. This dynamic stretch helps improve. Lastly is the fist rotation. This dynamic stretch helps improve wrist mobility and can be particularly beneficial for those who perform repetitive hand movements. Make a fist with both hands and rotate your wrists in a circular motion, first clockwise and then counterclockwise, both for 20 seconds.